continue with our activities. So open your book, page 44, and we have a vocabulary here. Repeat after me, please. Animals, cat, water, park, laugh, ducks, bathe, chores. Perfect. Now repeat all the vocabulary again. Excellent. For this activity, you have to read the text. Then choose a word from the box. Write the correct word next to numbers from 1 to 5. There is one example. Pets are domestic. Domestic what? Domestic animals, domestic cat, domestic water, domestic park. You are going to choose the best option. In this case, pets are domestic animals. So complete all the text. Page 45. In this page, we have a question. What materials do you need to make your treasure? Here, you are going to write the material that you need to make a treasure. Paper, colors, glue, or something like that. Now, enter to Kahoot and play with the vocabulary. Finally, study the vocabulary of the week.